Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode, however the mode does not really matter because the options are, let's say, general, everything in one place. So all we have to do is to tap on this icon, which is in this configuration in the right upper corner. So let's tap, and now we have to scroll until we'll find the video settings. So we can change the size for the front and back video size. So let's start with front one. Now we've got three options: 1080p, 720p, and 480. So just tap on the specific option you'd like to use, and in back the same. So just choose this one, for example, and as you can see, it will be notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen size whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.